Okay, Alaja no one show her face. You don't sabi the work. Say hello to my followers, subscribers. What's your name?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Naima. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Susu Visuals.
Susu Pictures. We love you guys.
Today, actually, I don't know how I'm feeling. Like, I am tired. I don't even have energy to do anything. But I got to do what I have to do. Yeah? I just have to do what I have to do. If not, I have been down since like my energy was so low today. You can even see from my face. Yeah, who is this one blocking us? Rakiba, now you go drive today. I want to sit at the back. I am tired. Show your skills today now. What? Do you want to break door? Why do you like bush girl? You know tire reach me. I suppose sit down and make her rest my back. Hello beautiful people, welcome to day 7 of Ramadan. We are going to be on our way very soon to have our iftar. For real, God is so big, very huge. If not be God, nobody fit tell me to dey fast like this. If I don't even drink water, I'll go chop things. The feeling, I cannot explain it. So basically, my activities for today, I got to the office very early today and I plan to edit yesterday's content. But I think something came up. It was 9 a.m. and work has to start and it was time for Zuhr. We went to go and pray Zuhr and we had a small brief lecture today. And I think the lecture was not bad. Rakiba, how do you think about today's lecture after Zuhr? Forgot it. Stuck. Wahala dey. God, what is going on? So you can't talk. Wow. Well, diversion ahead. What are they? I hope it is not for us. I no go back home. I ain't gonna go back. Well, alhamdulillah, it's almost time. This is 6:40. This is 6:40 p.m. So we're close.
Please look at the lock.
I'm Kongaza. Ah. My phone.
Why you dey swear? You be Gary.
Why you dey come off my face? No shele. No manage the jẹ camera.
Ó ṣí ọkàn mi, jẹ́ kí n polówó orí mi tó fẹ́ fẹ́ mi sílẹ̀.
Ṣé bó ìsítẹ̀ ẹ kò jà fún bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ẹ ò jà èèyàn ń fi nǹkan ránṣẹ́ sí àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ẹ ò jà fún.
Jùmọ̀kẹ́ lójú ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀mú gba Ramadan. Under your ojú ẹ̀ mi.
Ó dẹ̀ fi tiẹ̀ o do me.
Kí máa mú wa báyìí?
Yap.
Kọ́lọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mi. Kọ́lọ̀ máa ní okay. Ṣé ìgbà
alẹ́ lomi wọ́n ló fẹ́ mi ò mọ bó ṣe máa sọ wọ́n ní kí wọ́n kó propose. Ẹ Chisu kẹ́rù fún mi. Ìṣàmọ́dún tí mo gbà yìí. Chisu gbẹ́rù fún mi ó lè fẹ́ so yìgì. Ibo ni fẹ́ ni ìwọ ni kí n ti pàdé yín mi náà lọ́ọ̀ fún yín. Ibo ni. No, kò ní ìdánwò náà fọwọ́ sí.
Do me.
Aziz, God bless you.
Now it's 7 o'clock. We are breaking right now. Time to break. Time to break. What's that? Water?
Eh?
Rakiba cannot wait.
Okay.
You cannot wait. You cannot wait. So you can talk now.
Leave me.
You can talk now. Why you let them see you now? Hey, see the way they swallow water. God, I beg.
Leave me now.
How many cups do you want? Hey.
Right.
No way. I ain't gonna leave you alone. Face camera and drink your water in peace. Oh, Ben Kim. What's that? Sunana Susu Vicious. Today we are having Asun what? Asun Spaghetti and boiled egg, right? You cannot talk me.
Yes, you don't drink water. No.
Hey, now what for you?
Now for you, sir. Give me a look, right?
Rakiba, what I have for iftar today?
You know I'm not wearing the mic, so you cannot hear me.
They can hear you.
Asun Spaghetti, you see later when I want to eat.
Do you want to?
Leave me alone.
This guy want to enter inside car.
No paparazzi. So why are you obsessed with me and my auntie's camera?
Call it Boshin Jenny.
As this go to the museum booming, you know how to ask the old thing.
Shock Baron, you Baron.
Yes, who don't like against me today?
Yeah, did I even see anything?
Yes.
Oh, shut up, baby.
No. When we went to pray Azri, Azri, yes. Me, I did not see anything. It was Aziz that was attacking you.
You said you did one.
Eh? Me?
You said it. Yes, you said it.
It's okay. Okay, but lunch food.
Justin.
What do you say?
Now you can talk. You don't do it. Wait till that.
What? I'll put my fingers in your eyes.
we're having Asun Spaghetti Egg. Oh, I should be Asun Spaghetti with egg.
Now you can talk.
The 7
Done and ghosted.
the 7 not accepted.
God. This guy is not serious.
Alhaja,
You were saying,
it's cute.
Rakiba, you were saying,
This one is my own.
Pluck it.
This one is fine.
It's my own.
It's too long now.
I chose the color.
It's too long.
It's your own bow.
It's too long now.
Rakiba, you were saying,
Clock it. So
Why
the
you looking at me,
familiar.
Yaya?
See, if as this is not, I'm supposed to have peace of mind.
Why am I beside you?
Ah, but this is not, I'm supposed to have a little bit of peace
Because
of mind.
we are eating.
say, Chef, what are you doing? I'm going to find
You still have to put on this one.
Let's do it now. Come on, go watch it.
Ibo.
Rakiba, you pack your fine.
What my former lórí o.
Why am I down there?
Sit down. Surah, you can do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sister.
Yeah. You can do it at Easter around Friday.
Can't feel where come in. You were going.
No, around Friday because
Tell
you're
her no better.
Why? Go shower.
Only HA I can follow because it's a camera.
Ah,
Okay,
Suraj
calm.
is
You know like what?
no,
Ask your
Surah
tuba.
driving is even worse.
I'm telling you. He be like,
How?
we'll be
This is my lord.
just like, make it chill like, but me like, chill like, me
That bro.
like.
Ask your tuba.
No, Surah is better.
Very
You can't assist not to Surah.
Ah, no.
Níbi Surah ṣe máa drive. Jọ́tọ̀ wà tí Surah bá máa lọ lu. 10 days làwọn máa fi dé bẹ̀. Surah is a careful driver.
very, very careful. Don't focus on it.
Kọ́lọ̀ máa mú wa.
Even on.
Sọ́sọ́ pé kò jẹ́.
Jẹ́. Ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jẹ́. A ní kò fi ya content tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Ó ti